It's another example video of a pair of doors that we are freight shipping out to a customer. This customer's on the other side of the state in Erie, Pennsylvania, a residential customer, so lift gate and residential fees will apply, which adds quite a bit to the shipping, unfortunately. So the doors have now gone through the process of the inspection to make sure that we didn't miss anything as far as paint imperfections. This customer is looking in color, so we are looking specifically for any damages to the paint. We don't promise paint perfection. However, we are aware that some people are looking for as nice as they can find, and we make them aware if there's any issues. These doors show up clean. As you can see, the mirror has been removed. We always sell the mirror separately. He actually did buy the mirror with the doors, but it was already removed, so it's just going to be going as a separate package. Comes with the hinges and the handle, as well as the interior panel. This particular panel, I don't think it matches his. It has that little red inlay on the top. And we always include panels if they're there. We don't split them off and sell them separately. However, it is considered a bit of a freebie, so it's not promised, it's not guaranteed. If you can use it, great. If you can't, unfortunately, we don't swap them out. The door window itself was lowered down into the door to protect it during its removal and shipping stages. And he's also getting the rear door, which is on the other side of this cart. I'll swing it around for you. So off of the same car, this guy's getting the passenger rear door. As you can see, same color match for him. We ran the VINs for him, checked the color codes, and everything matches up. He confirmed with his dealership. So again, the hinges on the back, harness disconnected. We do not cut. If there's any issues, we will let you know. I think this one was noted to have a couple door dings in it. However, I am not seeing them. But my guys are pretty tight on making calls as far as damages. So if there's a paint scratch or a chip or something like that, they will bring it up. I'm not seeing anything. Once they cleaned up, perhaps they show washed a little bit better than they did when they came on the car. But it is a very, very nice pair of doors. I think the customer's going to be very happy in the end. So next up, I will show you what it looks like once they are wrapped up. I'm not going to give the full process of what it looks like inside. There's other videos on my channel that show you that example, but I'll show you the finished product in the skid so the customer as well as yourselves get a chance to see what it looked like before it shipped. Then here is the finished product. This is what the skid looks like once both doors are safely secured inside. There's packaging materials in there to make sure that they stay safe during transport. And there's a box over top. They're banded down. Put that post over there to make sure nothing gets stacked on top, as well as these stickers. And then it's shrink wrapped. This will get picked up by the freight company. They will then transport it. Usually takes a couple days at least. If it's a residential delivery, they will call you to schedule a delivery time, which is basically a rough time. We have no affiliation with the freight company. They're independently contracted. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy to help. My name's Jared. Phone number to me is 800-222-2528. My direct extension's 112. Of course, you can find me on all the social sites. Just look up Jared Weber Bros. You'll find me everywhere. Thanks for watching.